Good morning, all. We have already completed our chapter 2 of history, nationalism in India. Today, we will be doing the map work of this chapter. As I told you earlier, also that in history, map will come only from this chapter. There are only two maps, and approximately only you can say in the present CBSE course, according to the new syllabus, only 9 things are to be marked. But we will do one more important thing. So we have exactly 10 things, only 10 things to be memorized. Only 10 things that you have to go through properly to score total 2 marks in history, nothing else. And generally this comes only as identification. Matlab you just have to identify the place. They will give you one hint and they will give you hints in various ways, out of which I'll tell you few so that you know. If you have the basic idea of the chapter and you know the important facts about the chapter, you will easily be able to locate those maps. Okay. So if you see the first map work, we are given actually 6 places to be marked. And these are the important centers of the Indian national movement. If you remember, we have done कि चंपारण जो है वहाँ पे मूवमेंट ऑफ इंडिगो प्लांटर्स हुआ था which was headed by गांधी जी and it occurred in 1916. और फिर हमने देखा था खेड़ा में हुआ था पीजेंट स्ट्रगल, फिर अहमदाबाद में कॉटन मिल वर्कर्स सत्याग्रह. ये सारे के सारे जो है ये सक्सेसफुल सत्याग्रह थे जो गांधी जी ने इंडिया में सक्सेसफुली जो इन लोगों की प्रॉब्लम थी उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए किए थे. एंड यू नो सक्सेसफुल आल्सो एंड दीज पीपल प्रॉब्लम वर सॉल्व. उसके बाद हमने देखा था कि अमृतसर में जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर हुआ था जहाँ पे जनरल डायर ने जलियांवाला बाग में आके सारे इनोसेंट लोगों के ऊपर फायरिंग कर दी थी. देन नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट कहाँ पे कॉल ऑफ हुआ, दैट वाज चौरी चौरा विच इज इन उत्तर प्रदेश. ठीक है, गोरखपुर इन उत्तर प्रदेश. एंड लास्ट थिंग इन दिस मैप इज दांडी. दांडी कौन सी जगह जहाँ से गांधी जी ने स्टार्ट किया था सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट बाय ब्रेकिंग अप द सॉल्ट लॉ. ठीक है, आई एम रिपीटिंग दीज अगेन. चंपारण बिहार में हुआ था मूवमेंट ऑफ इंडिगो प्लांटर्स, खेड़ा गुजरात में पीजेंट सत्याग्रह, अहमदाबाद गुजरात में कॉटन मिल वर्कर्स सत्याग्रह, अमृतसर इन पंजाब में जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर, चौरी चौरा उत्तर प्रदेश में कॉलिंग ऑफ द नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट एंड दांडी गुजरात में सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. Now we will see the location of these places on the map. Now if you see this map, you will easily be able to locate the thing. हमने फर्स्ट चीज क्या की थी? हमने फर्स्ट चीज की थी चंपारण. चंपारण में क्या हुआ था? अपना इंडिगो प्लांटर्स का सत्याग्रह. नाउ आई एम सर्कलिंग दिस एरिया. जस्ट नोटिस दिस इज योर चंपारण. ठीक है, चंपारण इन बिहार. नाउ so I suppose you all can easily locate it. If you still have doubt, look here towards the area where it is written small 1. ठीक है, ये जो रेड कलर की डॉट दिख रही है ऑलमोस्ट बिलो नेपाल और इन द स्टेट ऑफ बिहार, दिस इज योर चंपारण. ओके, एंड नाउ इफ यू नाउ नोटिस दिस चंपारण एरिया which was, I am repeating again, कौन सी जगह थी जहाँ पे इंडिगो प्लांटर्स का सत्याग्रह हुआ था. ठीक है, ये मैंने रेड में सर्कल किया. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू कैन सी इट. तो अब इसको मार्क कर लो. ठीक है, आई एम क्लियरिंग दिस सर्कल सो दैट थिंग्स आर मोर विजिबल टू यू. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड एंड सी अगेन दैट दिस एरिया, which area, this Champaran area is the one which saw the indigo plantation satyagrah. So I am again underlining it. You all can see it. Champaran, I suppose Champaran is clear to everyone. अब अपना second क्या था? We have done the second one as the खेड़ा. खेड़ा क्या था? खेड़ा जो है which was actually in Gujarat. You can see I am circling it. Can you all see? ये जो इसका रेड वाला डॉट है, दिस इज ऑफ खेड़ा. खेड़ा में क्या हुआ था? खेड़ा में हुई थी पेजेंट सत्याग्रह. I am repeating again. खेड़ा इधर देखो towards, obviously it is in Gujarat. You can see this red dot. This is your खेड़ा, and I am again underlining it so that it is clear to you all. This is your खेड़ा. Okay, खेड़ा में क्या हुआ था? सीजन सत्याग्रह. थर्ड था अपना अहमदाबाद. अहमदाबाद में क्या हुआ था? मिल वर्कर स्ट्राइक हुई थी. कैन यू ऑल नोटिस इट? दिस इज रिटन रोमन स्मॉल लेटर्स में 3. अहमदाबाद, जहां पे अपना क्या हुआ था? वर्कर्स सत्याग्रह. ठीक है. नाउ आई एम अगेन अंडरलाइनिंग इट and you all can notice that this is your Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad, as I have underlined, must be clear to you all. Now moving on to the fourth one. Fourth क्या था अपना? जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर. जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर कहाँ हुआ था? It happened in अमृतसर. You all can see this circle. This is अमृतसर, और अमृतसर में हुआ था जलियांवाला बाग. Now I am again underlining it. You can again focus on it and mark it on your map. This is Amritsar. I suppose things are being clear. Now moving on to the next one. Next one हमने देखा था चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट हुआ था, जिसके बाद गांधी जी ने क्या कर दिया था? नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट को कॉल ऑफ कर दिया. This is your चौरी चौरा. You all can see it is in Uttar Pradesh. And this is how it is to be marked. Look at it very very carefully. ये भी नेपाल के नीचे है, चंपारण के एकदम पास है. You can say towards the western side of चंपारण. ऐसे याद कर लो. I am underlining it again. You all can notice it. It is your चौरी चौरा. ठीक है. जहाँ पे क्या हुआ था? Calling of non-cooperation. Then the last thing to be marked in this map is दांडी. दांडी पे क्या हुआ था? जहाँ पे गांधी जी ने सॉल्ट लॉ ब्रेक करके सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट को स्टार्ट किया था. दिस इज योर गांधी. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज टोटली ऑन द कोस्टल एरिया, क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा था कि उन्होंने कोस्टल एरिया में गांधी जी ने ही स्टॉप एंड देयर ही took few, you can say he boiled the water and he prepared the salt. So this is the area which is Dandi, and from here started the civil disobedience movement. I am again underlining it. You all can notice it. Please mark it nicely on your map. Now this map, I suppose these 6 things are very clear to you. You can see the first one is Champaran, second one is Kheda, third is Ahmedabad, fourth is Amritsar, fifth is Chauri Chaura, and sixth is Dandi. Okay, so all the 6 are the ones which are included in the first map of India, and these are the important centers of Indian national movement. Okay, so with this we complete our second map. Now we will move on to our next map. So when we move on to our next map, we should be clear about few important things that are to be marked. अब ध्यान से देखो. Second map में we have to mark few of the Indian National Congress sessions. ठीक है, I am repeating. Indian National Congress के sessions जो थे ये वो हैं. These are 4 sessions that we need to know. और जो first 2 है उसमें हमने months इसलिए लिखे हैं क्योंकि ये सेम ईयर में हुए थे, सो दैट देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन. तो पहला जो है अपना वो है कैलकटा. नाउ यू ऑल नो, अभी उसको कोलकाता बोलते हैं और उस टाइम पे कैलकटा बोलते थे. तो कैलकटा में जो इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का सेशन हुआ था सितंबर 1920 में, ये जो है मैप में मार्क करने आ सकता है या आइडेंटिफाई करने आ सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज नागपुर, जहाँ पे इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का सेशन हुआ था इन दिसंबर 1920. देन वी हैव मद्रास. मद्रास को नाउअडेज वी कॉल एज चेन्नई. यहाँ पे इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का सेशन हुआ था 1927 में. द फोर्थ इज लाहौर, where the session took place in 1929. Yani we just have to remember these four Indian National Congress sessions for map work. ठीक है, only for map work I'm talking. तो कैलकाटा यहाँ पे हुआ था सेशन इन सितंबर 1920, नागपुर में हुआ था दिसंबर 1920, मद्रास में हुआ था 1927 एंड लाहौर में 1929. Now, ये जितने भी written matter that you can see on your screen, you have to note it down. Okay. Now we are doing the location of these areas. The first thing that we had to mark was Calcutta. Now you all can see that this area is our Calcutta. The red dot that you can see is our Calcutta, and you must be knowing that nowadays we call it as Kolkata. It is located in West Bengal. Okay, so this is Calcutta, and you need to know its location on the map of India. Now moving on to the next. The next was Nagpur. Again, the session was in 1920 only, but the month differed. So Nagpur, you all can see that the area that I circled is the area where we find Nagpur on the map of India. Now I am again underlining it so that you can mark it on your map nicely. Okay, so all of you mark this place also, again very important from point of view of your map. Now moving on to the third one. Third one, as you all can see, is Madras. अब जो मद्रास है, अभी nowadays we call it as Chennai. So you all have to mark this also, the Madras session of Indian National Congress. And then the last is Lahore. Lahore जो है, you all know now it is not a part of India. It is in Pakistan. You can see towards the border of India, थोड़ा सा extended towards Pakistan. This is our Lahore. Okay. So I am again underlining this area so that you can mark it on your map. This is our Lahore. I suppose these four things are also very clear. Calcutta, Nagpur, Madras and Lahore. These all are the Indian National Congress sessions. Okay, the first one happened in Calcutta, then Nagpur, then Madras and Lahore. Though there are many sessions, but on map we have to remember only these four. So with this, we have actually completed our map work. Now I am repeating this map work, and all of you just carefully have a look at it again. The first map work that we did was regarding locating the main, you can say the important centers of Indian national movement. Champaran movement of indigo planters, Kheda hua peasant satyagrah, Ahmedabad was cotton mill workers satyagrah, and Amritsar Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Chauri Chaura mein calling off hua tha non-cooperation movement ka, and Dandi saw the starting of the civil disobedience movement by breaking of the salt law by Mahatma Gandhi. And then we see the location of these 6 places. The first one is Champaran, then the second one is Kheda, third is Ahmedabad, fourth is Amritsar, fifth is Chauri Chaura, and finally the 6th one is Dandi. Then the next map that we have done is telling us the main Indian National Congress section. And Calcutta, the Indian National Congress was held on September 1920 in Calcutta. Then in the same year in December, that is December 92 in Nagpur, then Madras 1927 and Lahore 1929. So you can see the location of these areas again on the map: Calcutta, Nagpur, Madras and Lahore. Okay, remember one thing, if these things come in your exam that you have to identify this particular area and they have given you a point here, do not write Kolkata because we are talking about that time. So you have to write Madras in place of Chennai. You will not write Chennai, and you will not write Kolkata. You will just write Calcutta. So these are the 4 important centers of Indian National Congress, that is Calcutta, Nagpur, Madras and Lahore. With this, we complete our map work of this chapter, and we have actually completed the whole chapter. I suppose things